Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and don't forget to comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you. Welcome back to Online Access Academy, and my name is Richmond. And you're welcome to my channel. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and anything related to making money online. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like I said earlier on. Comment down your questions. I'll be there to answer you straightforward right after I receive them. So in this video, I'm going to show you another CPA marketing platform that is paying its users a very huge amount of money. And trust me, with this, guys, I haven't tried it before, and I've seen it's working for people. So I decided to make a quick video that most people are very interested in those videos, and they will also go out there, replicate whatever I'll show them in this video, and make money online. So if you are a fan of Adsterra, this method is basically for you. This is an Adsterra alternative that is out there. The name of this platform is Hilltop Ads, and guys, don't click off the video yet, because there are certain things, if you do them on the platform, they are going to restrict you from registering this account. So don't click off this video. Kindly watch the video from start to finish, and I will show you the tricky way of making money on this platform. Yes, so it has been working for other people's, and I decided to make a quick video on that. So guys, that's it. The name of this platform is Hilltop Ads, and I will quickly take you through the sign up process. So I'll hit on sign up, and then quickly take you through the sign up process and show you how you are going to create an account on this platform. So the name of this platform is also Hilltop Ads, and first of all, when you are signing up, do not sign up as an advertiser. Advertiser is that, like, you're going to promote offers on this platform, and we are not here to run advert or promote anything on this platform. We are publishers. We are here to make money. So I'll just hit on publisher and then type in your name. So I'll type in my name over here. So let me type in my name. Okay, so I'll type in my email over here. So I'll type in my email over here. They say use of multiple accounts is prohibited, unlike Adsterra. So if you are new, do not try to create multiple accounts on this platform, because they are going to restrict you from making creating accounts. So all you need to do is to type in your email, password, and then agree to the term of service and hit on sign up, and your account will be ready for you. So guys, that is it, how you create an account on Hilltop Ads. So I already have an account, so I'll log into my account and show you quickly how everything works on this platform. So right now I'll type in my email, like we can see over here. You type in your email right after creating an account. You just have to log in and type in your email, your password, and then you complete this captcha over here where it says captcha. So this one says motorcycle, so I'll select wherever I see motorcycle over there, and I hit on verify, and they say try again. So I'll try again. I'll select the images with cars over here, so I can see a car over here, so I'll hit on verify, and you can see, boom, it has been marked. So I'll hit on login and then save my password, because this is my computer that I trust most, or I usually use to make money online. So you can see over here that it says watch us on YouTube. So you can click on that to go to YouTube and begin to know much about your account, or begin to know how you can make money with this account. But there is no need that, because I'm going to show you everything on this platform. So I'll hit on my account over here, and then you can see, do you want to translate everything? They have languages over here that you can select from. So you can decide to choose other languages over here by clicking on choose another language, and they are going to bring you a lot of languages. So I can say, do you want to translate language into English? Okay, so I hit on no, thank you. So because the site is already in English, so there's no need for me to do that. So I'll hit on dashboard, and you can see this is the dashboard, and you can see my publisher balance is 000. So right now, if you are having a website, you can decide to monetize your website with this platform. But we are not here, because this is not an Adsterra alternative that people are making money online with. So you can see it's because of it's an Adsterra alternative. You can make money without even having a website. So what we need to do right now is to go to the section where it says my account over here, and then with my account you can decide to update everything over here, because You can even choose the payment system over here because they pay through, because most people are very curious about how they can withdraw their money. But first of all, let me go to site and zones, and you can see them over here. So you can see you can create, or you can add your website, or you can decide to add a direct link by using this direct link over here. So what you need to do is to hit on add direct link, and you can do this in this way, that you can hit type in any name that you wish. So I'll type in any name that I wish, and then are you going to promote this with your mainstream account or non-mainstream? So because we are going to promote this with mainstream account, I'll hit on that and then hit on that add direct link. So like an Adsterra alternative, when people click on that, we are going to earn money with that. So you can see over here with this, this is a pop under direct link over there. You can see over there, and you can decide to even edit it a little bit to make it look attractive. So you can see over here it has been approved and it's active. So you can see it's pop, the type is pop under, and you can even achieve it over here. But this is not the reason why we are here. So after clicking on and creating your direct link, you can copy that direct link over there and then decide to promote it, like you're promoting an Adsterra direct link, and you're going to make money online with this platform. So what you need to do next is to you can check your statistics over here, like at an Adsterra. You can even check your direct statistics. And one thing I love about this thing is that they show you the desktop clicks and then the mobile clicks over here. So the zone, you can see it over here, and the ad format, they will show you everything. That's what I love about this platform. And they have a referral program over here. When you refer people to this platform, you can earn up to $5 as an Adsterra pop advertiser. When you refer somebody and the person runs an advert on this platform, you're going to earn $5. And when it's a publisher, for every money that the person will earn on this platform, you're going to earn $5 over here. So if you decide to promote this site is for the webmasters, and this link is for those of us who do not own any website. You can click on this link and copy and share it under your YouTube description and everything that you need to do over there. So I'll leave the link to hit up us in the description below, but I will not leave it directly. I will just put it in Google site, and when you click on that, you can join it straightforward without searching on Google for this platform, because there are a lot of fake websites that are on Google right now. So right now you can see over here, and one thing you can see, you can check your payment history over here if you have been paid over before. Because I created accounts right now, you can see that no payments are logged. And then what I love about this thing is that Adsterra pays you 2 weeks after receiving your money, and this platform pays you every 1 week. Every week that you receive your money, that's where they are going to pay you. So most people will ask you, how do you know that? I'll go to the frequently asked questions and then show you how they will get you. So you can see the payment options, time scale. So you pay every 7 days, Tuesday, with 7-day hold system. So that means that if you send traffic on the first day of the month, then the first payment will be on the 14th day of the month, and you can see the 7th day of the month. The next payment will be 21st, and then so the 14th, from 14th to 21st, and then from that it will move on to everywhere that you are going to make money, and that is it. So you can see the legal terms over here, and then the frequently asked questions that are public over here. So you can see everything. So let me go back to the management site and then the zones and show you how you can withdraw your money from this platform, because most people are curious to know, that they want to know how they can withdraw their money from this platform. So you can add a lot of direct links over here and promote them. So you can go back to payments history and then check on that. So you can see, you can add your YouTube, go to YouTube channel and watch their strategies of everything. So one thing about this thing is you go to my account, and then you can see the payment information. You hit on that. So you can withdraw your money through Bitcoins, Capitalist, Pasium, and then PayPal. And then if you have ERC USDT, ERC20, USD220, web money, wire transfer, which is bank transfer. You can withdraw your money through that. So that is it. And then you can even change your password, and then account security. You can add improve your two-factor authentication, and then to secure your account, and then everything that you need to do to protect your account with from hack. That's how everything works. So guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and my next video I'm going to show you how you can promote this link, direct links, and then add a website to it and make money with that. So guys, you can see my channel is here. My name is Richmond, and you are this my channel. The name of this channel is Online Access Academy. So that is it, and don't forget to smash on the like button over here, and comment down below your questions, everything that you need to know about this platform. I won't hesitate to tell you everything. So that is it, and thank you very much for your time, and until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, stay safe, and then see you in my next video. Peace out.